the noise. See it riding. So we're going to blow this wheel off and address that. This is just showing you what a dust shield, simple piece of sheet metal, part of the dust shield rusted away, you can do to a car, and how easy it can cut something. This could definitely have caused a catastrophic failure. Look at the rim. But this groove, you're just gonna have to take my word for it. It goes down pretty deep into the rim. This groove here is probably going in a 1/16 of an inch into the wheel. And what was happening is this was being contacted by that dust shield as the car rotated. This may only have 1,000 miles of driving where it was doing this to the rim. But trust me when I say that groove's cut in about a 1/16 of an inch. That's the section of it that cut into it. So here we are, we're just going to clip that piece off. You can see, no longer hitting. And there you are as a quick fix, just trim it off the dust shield and the backing plate.